I was contacted by a student of PDC I taught in 2010 in Morocco, and he contacted me for a design consultation. So I actually designed in Australia from contour maps, aerials, video and photos. Bill Mollison's famous saying of the map is not the territory is very, very true, because when I got there I had to change a bit of the design, probably 50%, because the imagery didn't show reality, and it took me about a day to get my head around the site and work out what was possible. Access was really important. It's a reasonably steep site with some nice country right up the top, which is undulating. Certainly there's a bit of water in the system, and nearly all the water that people use is groundwater, so most of their rain comes in 1 week in winter, and then a few small rains in spring, and then no rain throughout the summer. So hence the importance of catching every drop we can and storing it in the soils. Of course we can store excess water in dams, but really, where we want to put it, because of the such high evaporation rates, is in the soils. We done a bit of adjusting on a driveway that had already been put in, that I could actually make somewhat of a sausage out of the shaly clay, just from that happy accident of putting the road on contour. So the road acted like a swale and it infiltrated, and once it's infiltrated, then everything become hydrated. One of my biggest surprises and most inspiration was to get up one morning and see the trees dripping with water, just purely from condensation. And then we arrived at the site and it's in a total blanket of fog. Now once we get tree systems up and they start condensing, that's going to add to the water cycle, and it has to influence the local climate at least.